Okay, so you know this thing that sounds in your stomach, and you just tell someone something is grinding in my stomach. I want this to be in that category. All right. So today I will tell you what it means when you hear that particular grinding sound in the stomach. So what you need to know is that there is no cause for alarm. It's actually called borborygmus. So next time, don't say something is grinding in your stomach. Say you have borborygmus. That is a medical term for the growling and rumbling sound, and it actually happens or occurs when fluid, food, and gas pass through your small intestine and your stomach, because it's actually produced in the gastrointestinal tract. So it is no cause for alarm, and it happens or occurs more whenever you feel hungry. You just start hearing the sound. So I'm telling you now, don't say that thing is sounding in my stomach. Say you're having borborygmus. I hope this helps you. Thank you.